Hello guys, how are you all? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a video of a couple coming out of a photo and hugging each other using AI. Make sure to watch the video till the end, because videos like this are going viral very quickly right now. There's a huge craze for this type of video at the moment, so let's start the video without any further delay. To make the video, first, you need to add both photos together. You could say you need to merge them. The photos of the male and female should be combined. To do this, you can use any photo editing app like Canva. I'm showing it in Canva here. Whatever photo editing app you use, open it up. Now, I've selected a white image here. You can see it's been added. First, you need to add a background. Then, go to the Tools option and select the Crop option. The 16:9 ratio will be the best. After that, just click Done. Now you need to add your two photos here. You'll see an Add Photo option at the bottom, click on it. Then, select the two photos you want to use and click on Add. The photos will be added here. After that, adjust the photos properly and click Done. After clicking Done, you'll see a Download option, click on it, and your photo will be saved to your device. That's how easily you can merge these photos. Step 2. Open your browser and search VidU AI. Click on First Website. The interface will show Try Now at the top, and you need to click on it. After that, you have to create an account. Then, you'll follow some steps to learn how to merge the photos and then turn them into a video using AI. Just write a simple prompt like hugging each other or closing hug. Then, click on the magic option, and the video will start processing. After a short wait, the video will be generated. You can then click on it to view it. You'll see that the photo has been converted into a video where the hug is happening. So, the video has been created this way. Now, just click on the download button, and the video will be saved to your device.